All right. All right, so where's the ear boulder? I could have missed it. Right in here I can see a number of beaver cut branches. They either probably washed up there because beavers usually do their eating in the water, and then the river places them. Yes, I think we're coming. I think that big tree right there, that fallen tree there, that is where the ear boulder is. The ear boulder is next to that big fallen tree, and that tree, that boulder past the triangular one. The next one, that's the ear boulder. For me, it's quite a hike to get here. For a younger person, they'd probably be here in 20 minutes. I'm more like 2 hours. It's raining now, and all the rocks are slippery, but still, a younger person would just get here so much quicker. Whew. All right, so officially the ear boulder is upriver of the slanted tree. Oh, here's another pothole boulder. That's probably another place you could shelter right there. At the super big boulder, right at the slanted tree boulder, or the slanted tree, Dartmouth Rapids, Ohiopyle, Youghiogheny River, massive big boulder that's preventing that big tree from falling over. You could camp underneath there if it were okay in the park. It might be a little rocky, you just have to work it out. You are right on top of the ear boulder, another pothole boulder, Dartmouth Rapids, and there's a way of walking out of here. I know I've done it a couple times, but it's really hard going that way. It takes me close to 45 minutes just to walk out, but it's a shorter thing walking all the way back to High Bridge. All right, so this is a spectacular boulder. It's got this big wing over here, and it's got the ear over here. It's got a wing and an ear. Oh, look, the walking sticks that I left there to give as a prize to anybody who got here are still there. Nobody has come here in all the months since when I put that walking stick there, which I've shellacked like this one. I shellac them and then I leave them in the forest some places. I'll bet the big one over there, I wonder if it's been taken. I can't quite see it. I left a nice big long one over there. It's amazing how the river carved that right around there. Looks like that was a massive pothole and it finally collapsed down there. That was just river carving that one. Wonder how big that boulder is there underground. It's been being whittled by the river for a long time. You can see how high the river had got to be, about another 20 feet. And it must have been that high for a long time while it was whittling away at the boulders in this boulder field. There's another nice looking pothole down here. It's not as nice as the one that's over there. There's a nice pothole on the other side of the river. But this side of the river's got the wing and the ear boulder, and the other pothole boulder, and these big old boulders over here.